In this video, I'll show you how you can change your folder icons on the desktop. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by right-clicking on it and head over to Properties, go to Customize, and from in here you can change the icon. Now, there will already be a ton of pre-made icons for everything else, so if you want, you can just select any of these. So let's say I want to use, for some reason, this one. I can just press OK, apply, and OK, and now my folder will look like that. You can also upload custom folder icons or something. You can just go to Google and search for desktop icons, and you can download some, and it's the exact same way. Just press browse and then select the one you just downloaded. And if you want to have the default one, just restore default, apply, and OK. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.